Wow. Can you imagine a non current asset being disclosed as a current asset in your balance sheet? Also, can you picturize the performance of a particular segment being disclosed as a single line item in your statement of profit and loss? Welcome to Let's Learn IFRS series. In this episode, we will understand the fundamentals of IFRS 5, what is a non current asset held for sale, and what is a discontinued operation, and what is the impact of IFRS 5 to your financial statements. Let's get started. In simple words, when you're holding a non current asset with the intention of selling it and not with the intention of using it, and you're expected to sell such an asset within the next 1 year, then you can classify this non current asset as non current asset held for sale. Once the purpose of holding your non current asset changes, so does your presentation of the financials. The classification will have to be made under current assets. It will be the last line item. The non-current assets held for sale will be shown as the last item under the current assets in your balance sheet. Once such classification shift happens, please stop charging the depreciation on such assets, and the assets will have to be disclosed at lower of book value and fair value less cost to sell. Moving on to another important segment that IFRS 5 contemplates on, that is discontinued operations. Discontinued operations according to IFRS 5 can either be an existing segment that is disposed of or is held for sale, or it can be a new component altogether that is exclusively acquired for resale. For instance, consider the example of the iconic brand Procter and Gamble, which has discontinued its Pringles snacks business in 2010. The revenue, expenses related to that particular discontinued line of business will have to be clearly demarcated and shown as a separate line item in the statement of profit and loss. The purpose is to enhance the readability of the financial statements and capture the real performances of the continuing operations. That's a wrap. Hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more awesome content.